How to add team members on Workfolio. The first thing you want to do once on Workfolio, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on Add Users. After selecting Add Users, you have two options to add employees. You can either invite by email or you can invite by link. So for instance, you could tap on Invite by link. Then from there, you can copy the link and you'll be able to share it with whomever you want. So you could share it via email, text, or you can share it via WhatsApp. You can also decide the group that you'd like to add them on, whether it be the design team or HR team. And if you would like to create a different team or department, you can watch the tutorial that I've created about that. Otherwise from that, you could also add them via invite by email by filling in their name and email address. Then you can tap on add and invite users. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.